Good morning. We are from Senok and this is the second day of the Colombo Motor Show. At the Colombo Motor Show today we are bringing our range of Great Wall manufactured SUVs and the pickup. Firstly, we will bring to you the Haval Jolion. Haval Jolion is a 1.5 litre turbo petrol engine which gives all modern amenities including Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, as well as electric seats. It has leather seats as well, a modern dashboard, and you could get all the features that you could get on a top range car at a very affordable price of 13.5 million. But then today at the motor show we are offering you a special discounted price of 12.95. So if you want this price, please come and pay your advance at the Colombo Motor Show and you will be availed of the 12.95 special price. As well as from Great Wall Motors, right there you could see we have the monstrous and most powerful Poer pickup, which is also a 2 litre turbo double cab with all options available: 360-degree camera, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, leather electric seats, and it's comfortable with superior build quality as well. So come and visit us at the Colombo Motor Show and experience the GWM Haval Jolion as well as the GWM Poer, and you will be aware of the special price. We are waiting for you.